What's up, everybody? I hope your day is off to an amazing start. It is the spunky one from I Craft Everything. And today I am testing some passport covers that I purchased from an offshore vendor. And I'm going to walk through the whole process for creating passport covers with sublimation, and you tell me at the end if you think this was a success or failure. Let's go! So as you can see, I have already printed out my sublimation image and I am currently attaching it to the passport cover securely with heat tape on the front, back, left, and right side of the passport cover. I make sure to securely press my heat tape down to make sure that it does not stick or slip when I am pressing it with the heat press. This part's really important. You have to align your sublimation paper exactly where you like it on the image, because where you put the heat is where the sublimation image will print. So this part's really important. So as you can see, the heat tape, the image, and the passport cover are securely attached and are ready for pressing. I'm going to take an older piece of butcher paper because I don't like to waste additional paper. And I'm going to sandwich the butcher paper, the passport cover, and another sheet of butcher paper on top. This will prevent the ink from bleeding onto your heat press or onto the base of whatever it is that you are pressing on. I'm going to grab the heat press. It's already preheated to the recommended manufacturer temperature, and I'm going to press it. Let's see what happens. Make sure you evenly apply heat all over the passport cover. Sometimes you have to move your heat press if it's not big enough to cover the whole thing. So don't be afraid to move it. But be gentle, because we don't like to do double work. Double work means double work and double product, which means less profit. I craft everything. Once I have evenly heated the passport cover all the way around, I'm going to move my heat press and place it back into the heat press tray and look at the passport cover to see if the image is applied all the way around, because of course once you remove the sublimation paper from the passport cover, you can cancel putting it back there unless you are an absolute expert. It definitely will move or shift and you'll have to start your project over. So I like to just give it a little peek to see if the colors are as vibrant as I like them to be, or if I need to add additional heat. So when you feel comfortable, if the passport cover is cool enough for you, go ahead and gently remove the tape and remove the picture from the passport cover. And voila, this is our finished product. So sound off in the comments. What do you think? Is this a success or a failure? We'd like to hear what you think. I have my thoughts, but I'll keep them to the end. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.